In the years since its introduction, Skylark has performed very well for you. It's a fine automobile, generally regarded as a right-sized car. Right because it offers excellent interior space, front and rear, combined with impressive fuel economy and driving characteristics. Right because it offers a luxurious level of standard appointments in a very economical package. When we introduced the current Skylark line in 1980, it was our first high-technology front-wheel drive car. Totally new, resized, combining transverse-mounted engine, McPherson strut front suspension, trailing axle coil spring rear suspension, and everything we knew about repackaging large amounts of passenger room on a smaller, lighter car. We didn't stop there. Since Skylark was introduced, significant refinements have been made in many areas. Refinements to the front suspension, engine mounts, and steering. Engine refinements such as electronic fuel injection, and many subtle but significant changes to Skylark's exterior, refining and improving Skylark's handsome appearance. In 1984, Skylark will continue to offer what it has always offered: sound engineering, impressive fuel economy, intelligent packaging, and high volume potential for you. The only major exterior change on Skylark this year is this new grille, continuing Skylark's strong Buick visual identity for 1984. The 1984 Skylark lineup remains the same. You are looking at the Skylark Limited Coupe, available also as a sedan. The Skylark T-Type will once again provide the performance umbrella for the Skylark line. This year, the T-Type, which is available in 3 color combinations, gets the Grand Touring suspension as standard, with specific shocks and springs matched to specific steel-belted Blackwall radial tires. The T-Type engine is this powerful 2.8-liter high-output V6, providing 135 horsepower. A tachometer is standard on T-Type this year. All Skylarks continue to offer a high level of basic equipment, such as power rack and pinion steering and power front disc brakes. Tungsten halogen headlamps continue to be standard on Skylark this year. The Skylark will have the new electronic cruise control available this year with the accelerator feature. Electronic touch climate control is available on Skylark this year. Improved, refined, upgraded. These are Skylark words. They represent our Skylark outlook for 1984. To continue to offer extremely high value, economical operation, continual refinement, and increased opportunity for one of the proudest names in Buick history, Skylark.